Well, devastating news for the Golden State Warriors is this is not the news they wanted to hear. Jimmy Butler is out for the season, torn ACL. This comes after Jonathan Kuminga is the man of the trade from Golden State this past week. I don't know what the hell you do right now if you the Golden State Warriors. I don't even know or think there is a realistic trade that you can make that's going to salvage the season, as the Golden State Warriors sit 8th in the West right now. I don't know what trade they can make at all that's going to salvage the season. So if I'm Jonathan Kuminga, I'm doubling down on getting the hell up out of Golden State, even though, his services could be used right now. But, if I'm Jonathan Kuminga, get me the hell out of Golden State. If you Mike Dunleavy in that front office in Golden State, you just got to really consider right now hitting the reset button and rebuilding, because, there's nothing else there you could do right now. At some point you're going to have to do it. So right now will be the time that you really need to consider hitting the reset button and building in Golden State.